I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Photos and locating the pictures you need. Make sure iCloud Photos is enabled so edits sync. Once done, go to Albums to isolate recents or favorites and tap a photo to open it. You should use the Share button to duplicate or export before editing, especially for originals. This protects your files. If you want to sort quickly, use the search bar with dates, locations, or people. This speeds up selecting multiple images. Now you edit and organize. Tap Edit to crop and adjust light or color. Press Auto for quick improvement, then fine-tune sliders for highlights and shadows. Once you like the look, tap Done to save non-destructively so you can revert. Next, group photos by creating an album and drag selected items into it. This keeps things tidy. For people-based sorting, add names. For location sorting, check the map. These steps help you find images faster later. Finish by sharing and backing up. Tap Share to airdrop to nearby devices or choose Export to save full-resolution originals to files. Make sure iCloud Photos shows up-to-date in settings. If you need a manual copy, export to an external drive. If photos won't sync or edits disappear, toggle iCloud Photos off and on, confirm sufficient iCloud storage, and restart the iPad. These steps often resolve glitches. If problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.